Hello, I'm Shivangi Lohmi. I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company. I'm from Yashwantrao Chavan Law College, Pune, Maharashtra. Today my topic is dissolution of marriage by mutual consent. The only type of no-fault divorce explicitly recognized under Indian laws is divorce by mutual consent. Here the spouses petition that they have not been able to live together for a period of 1 year or more and were living separately immediately preceding the presentation of the petition. Consequently, they have mutually agreed to dissolve the marriage. Before filing the petition, spouses agree on various important issues such as custody of child, alimony to wife, return of dowry items or stridhan, litigation expenses, etc. Further, the terms of agreement are to be mentioned in petition for divorce by mutual consent. Spouses can file for dissolution of marriage by mutual consent under any of the following provisions, like Section 13B of Hindu Marriage Act 1955, Section 28 of Special Marriage Act 1954, Section 10A of Indian Divorce Act 1869. Grounds for dissolution of marriage by mutual consent. In the case of Sureshta Devi, the Supreme Court explains the grounds for dissolution of marriage as follows. Living separately for a period of 1 year should be immediately preceding the presentation of the petition. It is necessary that immediately preceding the presentation of petition, the parties must have been living separately. The expression living separately connotes to our mind not living like husband and wife. It has no reference to the place of living. The parties may live under the same roof by force of circumstances and yet they may not be living as husband and wife. Second requirement, that they have not been able to live together, seems to indicate the concept of broken down marriage and it would not be possible to reconcile themselves. The third requirement is that they have mutually agreed that the marriage should be dissolved. Now, the procedure for dissolution of marriage by mutual consent. The process of dissolution is started by filing a petition for divorce by mutual consent. The petition is supported by affidavits from both the parties which signify their consent. This is the first motion petition which is presented in the Court of Civil Judge Senior Division. The petition contains joint statement by both the parties that they have not been able to live together, thus they should be granted divorce by the court. Parties are supposed to file a second motion petition after 6 months of filing the first petition, where the presence of both the parties is must. This is followed by hearing of both the parties by judge, and on satisfaction of the court that marriage is dissolved. The parties are supposed to present the second motion petition after 6 months and before 18 months of filing the first motion petition, giving them sufficient time to reconcile their differences. If the parties do not present the second motion petition within 18 months, then the marriage cannot be dissolved by the court. This video doesn't solicit any types of promotion and advertisements as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for education purposes only. Please like, share and comment on my video and do subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.